Actually, in Tokyo, there are 11 islands where time seems to slow down.
Absolutely gorgeous.
And there you'll find the rich blessings of nature and a unique food culture.
It is so beautiful. Oh, that is delicious. Wow. They go together perfectly well. The flavor just fills your mouth.
This time, we're going to savor every bit of Kozushima Island's food.
So when you come to Tokyo, please try experiencing the fresh and rich culture